Introducing the 2022 Polestar 2 long-range dual motor, 5-door auto in sleek black. This electric powerhouse is not just eco-friendly, but packed with top-of-the-line features for your comfort, convenience, and safety. With air conditioning, satellite navigation, collision avoidance braking, and so much more, this saloon is the ultimate driving experience. Plus, benefit from security features like lane departure warning and emergency call. Rest assured, with a full health and safety check, manufacturer servicing, and comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this luxury ride. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more details on this top-notch electric vehicle. Drive into the future in style with the Polestar 2.